twice. Take the first layer only and fold it to the center. It should be open. Yes, it should open. All right. Fold the top part under, and then roll both ends to the middle. And then all you need to do is to bend the ears. That's the ears. And that is the mouth. Alright? Like that so that it's facing the audience. Perfect. Ladies and gentlemen, give them a round of applause. Let's give it a fire right here. Alright? You can bring it to your cabin. Only in the cabin. Okay, you can transfer the ice from the other. Alright, so you got ice already. Okay. Perfect. Alright. Well, thank you very much to everyone.